अलग वीडियो बन रहा है क्योंकि मौसम बहुत अच्छा है एंड पता नहीं मेरे नोट्स में ना कहीं पे डाला हुआ था कि मुझे एक ऑफिस टूर करना था एंड दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम क्योंकि अभी आई हैव द ड्रीम ऑफिस। आपने इंट्रो तो देखा ही होगा, इट्स सो कोजी, सो प्रोडक्टिव एंड लेट मी गेट यू थ्रू दिस ड्रीम अमेजिंग ऑफिस व्हिच आई हैव बिल्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ। सो फर्स्ट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस कंफर्टेबल चेयर जो मैंने अमेजिंग से ली है। मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती, जब भी मैं पीरियड्स पे होती हूँ या जब भी I feel low, I work from sofa or from my bed, which is so unproductive. And मैं literally wish करती हूँ कि मैं कब सही होंगी और मैं अपने इस प्यारे ऑफिस में स्पेशली इस कंफर्टेबल चेयर पे बैठ पाऊंगी। बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी द पोस्चर एंड दिस द हेड का जो ये रेस्ट रहता है ये पूरा बहुत अच्छा है एंड दिस इज क्वाइट फ्लेक्सिबल, लाइक आई कैन लिटरली ऐसे घूमूंगा पीछे. So I think this chair is something which is the lifeline of my work which I'm doing right now. Next, I want to talk about this table. इसका I will add a review. This is a very good, sturdy wooden table. ये मेरे husband ने actually order की थी. इसमें दो this drawer भी है जिसमें मैं अपना कुछ सामान रख सकती हूँ. And इसका जो wide legs पूरा है. And next, I want to talk about this amazing mirror I have. So I always thought that when I will make my dream office, I will have a full length mirror. And I will not put it in my room where I get dressed. I'll put it in my office because I change a lot of costumes for my content, for my videos. So I just can see myself there. And I don't know, just looking myself fully front to toe in this mirror gives me some huge kind of applause. Or I don't know, a living body. But you see only till there in any mirrors. But I think one full length mirror is very much important in your home or an office. So yeah, I just really love this. And next, I want to talk about this dream view of mine. So this is something which I can die for. I mean, anyone who come in this home, they literally like this views because you can see outside there's greenery. So whenever rain or some good weather happens, or even there's sun out there, I really like the view. And I have just decorated it with my money plant and some paintings and all. But basically the key part is that I sit here and I work on this laptop and I see outside. So basically, this is the something which is dream part of my office. And yeah, I really love this part. It helps me in doing some creative things. Next comes the paintings, which are the artistic part of my office. So as you can see, I'll add a visual here so you can see. There's this one painting where this I've taken the postcards from museum and I've made it. Then there's this one my client's daughter kind of bought this girl's one. This is kind of a peaceful I like to see. Then there's this Krishnji Chotu Sa which I made myself. Then this is just to remind myself this panda painting. A lot of people think that it makes no sense, but basically it's just to remind that when I go exhausted and do a lot of work and I got burnout, so it's just like I'm not lazy, I just really enjoy doing nothing. So I just put something very chill out. And then this is very good. I got it from some flea market. Sharamati nahi named Jati Nahi. So yeah, that is about the decor. I also have more paintings here basically. So this we gone in some this ashram where there were kids, like physically mentally disabled kids were there, and they make very beautiful content. I have one more outside in my home, like in this 4 paintings we have bought from there, and you guys can see this, these are so amazing and beautiful, and I just love it. Like those kids are totally creative. Next comes this masterpiece. So there's a story for this also. So basically my uncle, my father, they are into handicraft and all, so they sell carpets. So basically, this blue is a topic, and I just got from them. I just told them that I really love it, and he was kind enough to give me. He's my, uncle in relation, and then I framed it and I keep it. So I really find it very beautiful. It's very artistic. It's very luxury kind of vibe it gives in my office, and I always sort it and put it in my office. And I really love this piece. Yeah, so that's like the best tip. Next I want to talk about is this amazing tripod. Because this helps me in everything, in shooting content, and I can keep it out in the garden. And इस पूरे office में I think this is a very good prop which I have because it gives me very creator and artistic vibes. Not artistic, but for sure creator vibes. So yeah, this tripod you can see here, it's completely amazing. A big part of my office is this cupboard because whatever I cannot accommodate here in my office, I put it there in the cupboard, and I have all my camera, my lights, my important art supplies in it. So I really love this thing. Then last is this Chotusa light I have. So basically we can on it and it looks really good in evening. Sometimes I just like to on this and just switch off this white light and it looks really beautiful. So yeah, that's it for the video. This was very impromptu and I've shot like on phone camera make, so I hope it doesn't make look it ugly. But this also is one mirror which I have and I really like it. A lot of I want more and more mirrors in my home. I just really love it. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Subscribe my channel and make sure you follow me on all pages. I post on Substack also, Moody Founder Diaries. I'm really working hard on it. So please go and check that also. I'll put all the links in the description. Okay, bye bye.